I did not have many expectations for college. Unlike the many first-generation college students I would eventually meet, my family had been attending college for generations. Both of my parents had graduated from college, and my dad had graduated from medical school. 3 of my 4 grandparents had graduated from college, and my paternal grandfather had graduated from dental school. At least 2 of my great-grandparents had graduated from college. One had graduated Phi Beta Kappa, and the other graduated from dental school. Despite the generations of college experience in my family, the only advice I received about college was from my mom and from my paternal grandfather. My mom merely told me that, on average, college students could reasonably expect their college grade point average to be a full point lower than their high school grade point average, which remains true to this day, and that a 3.0 grade point average in college was very respectable, which also remains true. As someone who graduated high school with an unweighted 3.361 grade point average, I feared earning C grades in college. My paternal grandfather gave me much more encouraging advice. He told me about one of his fraternity brothers in college, who studied far less than my grandfather and the other members of his fraternity, but who earned much higher grades. When my grandfather asked his fraternity brother how he did it, his fraternity brother responded by telling my grandfather that when he studied, he eliminated all distractions and focused exclusively on what he was studying. He told my grandfather that his intense focus allowed him to absorb the material much faster than all the other fraternity brothers, including my grandfather, who allowed themselves to be distracted while studying and therefore did not absorb the material thoroughly, resulting in their having to study the same material on multiple occasions. Based on his conversation with his fraternity brother, my grandfather advised me to eliminate all distractions while studying so that I could absorb and retain the material quickly and efficiently.